Am I under arrest?
You are being stopped for walking down the wrong side of the road when there's a sidewalk available, just like I explained to you.
But we just got here.
What?
We just got here
So
to the sidewalk.
I'm going to tell you one more time.
Sir,
Would you like
I
to
know
give me
my
your
rights,
name?
sir.
Sure.
I would like your supervisor, please.
Sure, you can after you give me your
No,
name.
sir.
Okay, come here.
Welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. Today we have a video of a cop arresting a chef for simply walking on the wrong side of the road. We'll discuss the case law and how this woman was unlawfully arrested. We also have a quick follow-up video taken after the woman was released. This is what happens when you hire too many cops and they get bored. This is what happens when you don't train cops on the people's natural rights. This is what happens when cops are briefed every morning to identify as many people as possible in order to get criminals off the streets. At least that's what they're told. This is what happens when you give all cops umbrellas of protection no matter what they do. This video here was no different than an abduction or kidnapping. The only difference is this cop is wearing a costume that some call a uniform, and his actions are backed by internal investigations, qualified immunity, and police unions. Why was this cop so aggressive? Let's see if we can find out. This cop's last name is Starkey, and this happened in Shawnee, Oklahoma. Make sure you guys go subscribe to this original channel. I'll drop the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's get right to it.
Are you ready?
Am I under arrest?
You are being stopped for walking down the wrong side of the road when there's a sidewalk available, just like I explained to you.
But we just got here.
What?
We just got here
Would
to
you
the
walk down
sidewalk.
I'm going to tell you one more time.
Sir,
Would you like to
I
give
know
me
my
your
rights,
name?
sir.
Sure.
I would like your supervisor, please.
Sure, you can after you give me your name.
No, sir.
Okay, come here. Come here. Put your phone there.
Go get Papa.
There you go. What's in your hand?
A tooth.
Drop it. Okay, none of that has to go. If you
Sir?
do anything like that, I'm going to put you on
Sir?
your ass. You understand me?
Sir, I've already had this with the Shawnee cops, and
Okay.
all right.
You're going to get obstruction?
For walking down the road?
No, for not identifying yourself.
For what, though? I wasn't doing nothing wrong.
I told you what you was doing. Come here.
No.
Get in here.
He's arresting me for
Get in
walking.
the car. No, you're being arrested because... There you go. Do what? For obstruction.
Because she didn't give you her ID because she was walking through the street. No, I'm not, because that doesn't make any sense. That you're arresting somebody off the streets for walking because she didn't give you her ID. Really? Supervisor, please, sir.
Yeah, sure, call him.
Take it away. Please, sir.
All right, folks, this clip was recorded after she was released. Let's watch this clip, and we'll take a look at the laws right after.
I would just like to show everyone where I walked out and how far I got when I was walking down the road. He said to walk on a sidewalk. And I'm going all the way down there, even though I'm scared of walking on this side. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the whole walk. Until he arrested me. And we made it to my grandson and we made it right here. And there's the beginning of the sidewalk. And there's a car block.
All right, folks, so we pulled up Oklahoma statutes and laws, and in section 19-291, walking on roadways, it states, A, where sidewalks are provided, it shall be unlawful for any pedestrian to walk along and upon an adjacent roadway. First of all, she just showed us that there was no sidewalks where she was walking, and when she was arrested, that's where the sidewalk began. And on B, it states, where sidewalks are not provided, any pedestrian walking along and upon a highway shall, when practicable, walk only on the left side of the roadway or its shoulder facing traffic which may approach from the opposite direction and shall yield to approaching vehicles. So right here it says upon a highway. That does not look like a highway to me, folks. Let me know what you guys think. In my opinion, this case should be thrown out of court and the actions of this cop should be investigated. He was way too aggressive, and it just makes me wonder how many people he's done this to. It baffles me why departments keep bad cops on the force. If this is how cops treat the people, I truly don't understand why the people continue to pay taxes. This is not what we're paying for, folks. We're paying cops to get bad people off the streets, not just regular folks minding their own business. This woman was not hurting anyone. She was not bothering anyone. The only one bothering anyone was the cop. Like I said earlier in the video, this is what happens when you hire too many cops with nothing better to do. We have way too many unsolved crimes out there. There's no reason why cops should be out targeting people doing nothing wrong. We're definitely going to leave some information for you guys. If you guys make some calls and record them, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'd like to hear those. We might even feature it on the channel. And we're definitely going to keep you updated as well, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. I'm also going to drop the original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. You guys go over to that channel and show some support. Let's remind these cops who works for who. I want to thank you all for tuning in. Always record the police, folks. If you have videos you want us to look at, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Give us as much information as possible. All right, folks, have yourselves a blessed day. Peace.